cheated, lied to, or tricked? She's tackling every opportunity to make something that went wrong right. Better Call Bacon is on your side.
Popular genetic testing company 23andMe has filed for bankruptcy, and now it's for sale.
With a database of detailed DNA analyses on millions of customers, privacy experts are sounding the alarm about what could happen to all that sensitive data. 8 on Your Side consumer investigator Shannon Bankin joins us now in studio with the story.
Jen, Josh, the California Attorney General's office issued an alert to consumers. Close your accounts and ask the company to delete your data. However, 23andMe has downplayed concerns, and a spokesperson tells me nothing has changed in the way the company protects data.
15 million consumers turned to genetic testing company 23andMe to learn more about their ancestry and to understand their disposition to diseases. But now the company has filed for bankruptcy and is looking for a buyer, meaning your DNA could be for sale too, raising questions about who may get their hands on this sensitive data. I sat down with USF public health professor and attorney Jay Wolfson.
Because they're so valuable, a question is, can they be used for alternative purposes, sold to insurance companies, sold to marketers?
We're talking about the saliva sample and the detailed genetic profile of the user derived from that sample.
You say it's valuable. Who's it valuable to?
It's valuable to pharmaceutical companies. It's valuable to any medical research organizations. It's valuable to large investment organizations that are interested in identifying the characteristics of potential populations to buy products and services.
We're talking about the saliva sample and the detailed genetic profile of the user derived from that sample. In an open letter to consumers posted on the 23andMe website, the company says, quote, any buyer will be required to comply with applicable law with respect to the treatment of customer data. But privacy experts point out this data is not covered by federal HIPAA laws that protect patient privacy.
There's no federal system that is going to be able to guarantee the protection of those things. Some state laws may, but this is kind of new territory.
The bankruptcy comes less than 2 years after 23andMe was hit by a data breach impacting 6.9 million customers. It's not too late to delete your data. Here's how. Log into your account and go to Settings. Scroll to 23andMe Data, click View. Scroll to Delete Data and click Permanently Delete Data.
And there's one more important step. After you ask for your data to be deleted, you'll receive an email to confirm your request. You must make the confirmation in that email before your data will be permanently deleted.
You know, I've never done this, so I don't know if you spit into a little vial or if you do the cheek swab, but there are saliva samples that people have given. What happens to all of those?
Yes, and a lot of people are really worried about that. You heard the doctor say that's a piece of your body. So if you have previously consented for your genetic data and sample to be used for research, you may withdraw consent from the account settings page under research and product consents. If you do this, the company says that they will destroy the sample. However, the company says that data cannot be removed from research that's already been conducted. This is new territory.
And it's like trying to put a genie back in a bottle. It's really something. All right, stay on it. Thank you. If you have a problem that needs solving, better call Bankin. The number is 1-855-BANKIN, or you can reach her on Facebook at WFLA Shannon.